May I now request Gil to present the memento to His Excellency British High Commissioner Mr. Alex Ellis, CMT. Ms. Alison Barrett, MBE, Country Director, British Council. Honorable President, Shraddheya Shakti Bani Boshu, Shrimati Bani Boshu ke আমাদের শ্রদ্ধা। We would now request Sri Pradip Kumar Chattopadhyay, President of Publishers and Booksellers Guild, to share his thoughts.
Good afternoon, distinguished guests present on the stage, Honorable British High Commissioner Mr. Alex Ellis, Director British Council Madam Alison Barrett, Honorable Speaker Biman Banerjee and Ministers Firad Hakim, Shobhandev Chatterjee, Sri Sujit Basu, Indranil Sen, Snehashish Chakraborty, Honorable Mayor Krishna Chakraborty, MP Dola Sen, Shubhendu Shekhar Rai, and noted literary personality of Bengal, Srimati Bani Boshu, and our very own Didi, Tigress of Bengal, Mala Rai, MP, she is of the dais on the auditorium, and our very own Didi, Tigress of Bengal, our inspiration, and also a noted literary personality, Honorable Chief Minister, Srimati Mamata Banerjee. Also other guests, on behalf of Publishers and Booksellers Guild, we heartily welcome you all to the inauguration of the 47th International Kolkata Book Fair. The focal theme country for this year's book fair is the United Kingdom. Since 1998, we have had the pleasure of having UK 4 times as a focal theme country at the International Kolkata Book Fair. Some of the world's great thinkers, writers, scientists and the Nobel laureates had visited the book fair in recent